Today I'm back with another affordable indoor garden review. This one is from a brand called Benehorti that I don't seem to be able to find anymore, but it looks identical to this one from Letpot, which is currently on sale. A lot of the Chinese manufacturers make the same product under different names, so you can grab that one if you're interested. I've been using this for 7 months now, and I'm a big fan. First up, the size is a square shape about 14 inches wide by 9.5 inches deep, and it has space for up to 21 plants. I like that the light raises up to 18 inches, and it's pretty strong at 36 watts. For comparison, here's how big it is compared to some of my other indoor gardens. Something this size with this light strength is really versatile. I can grow herbs, salad greens, cherry tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Mostly, I've grown lots of different herbs. It strikes a good balance between being not too big that it won't fit on a kitchen counter, but not so small that larger plants will outgrow it quickly. My favorite use for this garden, though, is to start seeds. Because it has 21 holes, it makes for the perfect seed starting tray. I can get 21 plants going and then either move them into other gardens, transplant some outside, keep them in there. Indoor gardening is already a faster process than growing outdoors, but this helps speed it up even more. With my aero gardens, I'd have to buy a separate seed starting tray, but this one already comes with that function. If you do want to grow larger vegetables, I would stick to just 1 to 3 plants depending on the variety and covering up the extra holes. The other nice feature about this indoor garden is the reservoir. It has a separate tube so you can hook up your own water tank, and it also has a contraption that allows you to add nutrition and the machine will gradually drip it through. There's an LCD screen, which personally I always appreciate. It tells you how many days your garden's been growing, the time, and lets you customize the light schedule. The only con is sometimes I want to quickly turn the light off, and it doesn't have a simple button to do that. You have to manually change the light off time and then switch it back. I think there is an app where you can control more settings via your phone, but I would prefer it to be directly on the machine. I also don't love the water hole. It's very, very small, pretty much the same size as the pods, so I have to be careful filling it up or I get water everywhere. But overall, I really like this one. I think there's lots of great, unique features at a really decent price point.